Okay, children, you can hear me properly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I can hear you. Okay, children. So shall we do the homeworks now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So the questions were, is it 90? No. 382 was the first question.
No, ma'am. 2874.
And that 2874.
Yes.
First one is
2874.
2874. Second one is
1834. 1834. Is it one?
First one 2874.
First one is 2874 and 9741 4750 1762.
Okay. 2874. Correct. Okay, children. One second. Okay. So let me take the. Okay, 2874. I will ask one person.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Hear me, children, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, children. One second. One second. Let me take. Okay. 2874, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
287.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanya, will you tell the answer? Tanya?
Yes, ma'am. The greatest number is
Okay, what?
8742.
Yes. Greatest number is 8007. Find the greatest, the given digit, and without repetition, and make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers. Make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers. So first question was using 2874. Is it? Is it? Okay. So 2874, which is the greatest number?
8724. 8742.
Read the number carefully.
8742.
42. Correct.
442.
Yeah, if your answer is correct, you just put a tick there. Okay. And which is small number?
2478.
I will ask only one person. I asked one person, Tanya. Tell the answer. Smallest.
2478.
2478 is your. If your answer is correct, you put the tick, or else you correct your answer. Okay. And the second question is it 9741?
Yeah, it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
One second. I'll tell one person to tell. Okay, Isha Binoy, which is the greatest number?
9,741.
Yes, 9,741. And will you tell the smallest number also?
1,479.
1,479. Okay. That was the second question. And put the tick if your answer is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I did not get the third and fourth one.
Wait, and then wait. I know, I have given the question, so I know the problems. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Now the third question is 4750. Clear? And Chinmay, which is the greatest number?
7,540.
Read the number properly.
7,540.
Okay. The greatest number is 7,540. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Anandan, will you tell the smallest number?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
457.
4757.
Yes.
4757, no?
No, he told 457.
Sorry?
457.
457.
I told only Anandan to answer.
457.
457.
Yes.
407. Then which is there any 4 digits there?
Yes, but 0.
Another, will you read the number properly?
Ma'am, smallest 400.
4. And then read the number properly.
7,540.
4775, huh?
7,514.
7,540.
Yes.
Smallest.
No, smallest 454, 57.
457.
Yes.
Wait. Now, read the question carefully. You have to make a 4-digit number, right?
Yes.
You made a 3-digit number.
Ma'am, the question is for different.
Yes, Anandan, wait. Others, please don't talk. So what was our problem? See, children, listen to me. Now you don't need to talk. You understood there is a problem because of the 0, isn't it?
Yes.
You felt that there is a problem. So we will explain that. Okay. So there is a problem because the 0 came. Okay. And our rule is that we should take the smallest digit if you are making the smallest number. So in that case, you have to take 0 first, isn't it?
Yes.
And wait. When I explain, I don't want anybody to talk. So we'll take 0457. But when you write 0 in front of any number, will it has any value?
No, ma'am. So the second.
So 0 you should avoid, because 0457 is equal to 457. These both the numbers are same, because 0457 is same as 457. But you have to make a 4-digit number, so that is wrong. Okay. In that case, what you have to take is, you have to write the second smallest and greatest number first, and as a second digit you have to put 0. 4057. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't write 0 first. Don't write 0 first.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Now I understand, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Your answer 4057.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, children. Tell. There is a train over here.
Ma'am,
Please tell.
ma'am,
Sorry, I cannot hear you.
ma'am, you told that use the following digit and make.
Who is asking me? 1 second. Who is asking me?
I meant,
Anna.
ma'am, I meant,
Milking.
ma'am, I meant.
Let me see that person first. 1 second. Sorry. Who is that person?
Ma'am, I meant.
Where is Ayman?
Ma'am, I have a background picture in my bag.
Yes, Ayman, tell.
Ma'am, you told that ma'am, you wrote use the following digit and make 4 different numbers.
Yes,
4-digit numbers.
yes.
Ma'am, you told us to write use the following digit and make 4 different numbers, right?
Sorry, Ayman. I told to make a 4-digit number, use the digits and make a 4-digit number, right?
But I wrote it as use the following digit and make 4 different numbers.
What is the problem in this? Sorry? What is the problem in this? Smallest and the greatest number you have to make, right? You understood?
No, ma'am.
Hmm?
No, ma'am.
I understood.
See, children, how will you make the smallest and the greatest number when a 0 comes?
Ma'am, they are telling that.
Zero comes, don't use 0 as a first digit. Clear?
Yes,
You should use the 0 as the second digit, only that. You keep in mind this. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
And you can make, if you want, how many digits? What was the question?
Use the given numbers, make numbers in following ways.
One person. Agni. Others keep quiet. Agni, read the question.
Second digit.
Use the following digits and make 4 different numbers.
Yes. So among that, you have to make the smallest and the greatest number also. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, so we have
ma'am,
to
in that
make
C question, my smallest number is 4750.
Sorry, children, you have to make greatest and smallest number first. Clear? Then you make any 2 different numbers. Who will tell the answer? Catherine, tell the answer. 2 more numbers.
5047.
5047. Correct. Then one more.
4750.
4750. Correct. Any other you can make as your choice.
Ma'am,
5407. No, 7505. 400.
Use the 4 digits only. Only problem is when you make the smallest number, don't use the 0 as a first digit. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, fourth question. One second. Fourth question is it, how many questions I have given?
4.
four questions.
Is it 5403?
No, ma'am. 1762.
1762. Okay. Which is the smallest number, Gautam?
Smallest number is 1267.
1267, smallest. And the greatest?
7621.
7621. And other 2 numbers?
6270.
Then
7,126.
Excuse me, ma'am.
126.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, I wrote extra 4-digit numbers. I wrote smallest and greatest number, and then 4-digit numbers.
First you write smallest and greatest number, then 2 other numbers.
Ma'am,
Clear?
Ma'am, I wrote it, and after that I wrote.
Amen. What I told you, write it. Okay. Write the smallest and greatest number first and the other 2 numbers. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Then. Which is the 5th question? Any questions I have given?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. All fourth.
And then 5th question. Write the question now. 4, 7. Sorry. Now I have to take. Now I have to take. Okay, 1 second, children. I'll give the next question and Ayman should answer, okay? Okay, all of you write the smallest and greatest number first. These are the numbers.
Ma'am, I can't see the numbers.
Oof. 5, 4, 0, 3. This is the question, 5th question. All of you make the smallest and greatest number. All of you. Smallest and greatest number. And Ayman should give me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Ayman, which is the greatest number?
Ma'am, the greatest number is 5,430.
30, correct. And which is the smallest number?
Ma'am, the smallest number is 3,045.
3000?
And 45.
44.
Ma'am, 45.
Okay. 3045. So this one is very important. When you make the smallest number, that is why particularly I told you to make it. Clear, children? When you make the smallest number, don't use 0 there even if 0 is the small number among this. Don't use 0 there. If you use 0, there is no value for it. Clear, children? So that number will not exist. That number is not a 4-digit number. It is 345. So when you make a smallest digit, don't use 0 as the first digit. Clear? Clear?
Yes,
Ma'am, yes, clear.
Yes or no? Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes.
Now you make 2 other numbers as you like. Now you can make 2 other numbers as you like.
Finish, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can write it.
Make a 4-digit number, don't use 0. When you make a number, don't use 0 as a first digit. Clear? You can use any other number and use 0 as a second digit. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. Now, which are the other numbers?
Ma'am, can Shreya?
Yes. Who is that? Gautam. Okay, Gautam, tell.
Ma'am, Shreya, ma'am.
Ma'am, 3,054. 3,054.
3054, correct. Then?
4,053.
Now 0 can be in any of the places. Clear, children? 400, 4,503, 4,350. Okay. 4,300 and 4,035. Like this. 0 can be any other place, but don't use as the first digit. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. Now anyone is there who doesn't understand this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So when you get a question, read carefully that question and just watch carefully and just see that whether any zero is there. Okay, when zero comes, what should be in your mind? Hmm?
You can put in
Don't use.
don't
take the
put in the
zero
first.
has no value.
Don't put zero in the first place. On the first place. Put it in second place.
We should put it in second.
Ma'am, we should take the
Ma'am, we should
Gayatri, Shiva Gayatri, Shiva Gayatri.
second place.
Shiva Gayatri, are you still in 5C?
No. Ma'am, that's something.
Okay, you are in 6A. Okay, so rename it, not now. So Shiva Gayatri, when you see a zero in the numbers, what will you do?
Never put the zero in the first place.
Don't use zero as the first digit. Okay?
We should keep in second.
Second
Clear,
place.
children? Anandesh? Anandesh is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Anandesh, what is our rule when if you see a zero, when you make the numbers, what will you do?
We should not put it in the first place.
We should not keep that number as the first digit. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, let me take your attendance and I'll show some more questions to you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, will you write only these numbers? No need of using the question because the question we already written. Will you make the greatest and smallest number using these? These.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3.
We should write the heading.
No need.
Ma'am, 8 digits. 8. 8 digits, ma'am.
No need of writing the heading. You can write as the 6th question. Now 5 questions got over, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the 6th question and write only the answer. Okay, no need of writing all these sentences. Only the answer because you know it. Only this much you write. This is the greatest number and this is the smallest number. Same rule, it is there. Use 0 as a second digit. Clear, children? Let me take your attendance.
Ma'am.
1 second.
Ma'am, only this much questions for today, right?
Stop talking.
Ma'am, we should write smallest and greatest.
I have given encircled the things, only that you can write. Angelina Martin is there in this class. Angelina Martin.
Yes, ma'am. I am
Yes. I can see. Angelina Martin.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, only this much
Taking attendance. I am taking attendance. Wait. Afterwards, I'll read the absentee's name. Somebody is singing the song also? Did you write, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish
Yes,
writing. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, one second. Brightlin.
Ma'am, Brightly is present.
Brightlin is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Praveen P. Joshi. Okay. Blesswin. Ammu.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Once again, I don't know your names properly, no? So it will take time. Okay, children? If I am familiar with your names, I can see you and write fast. Ambrose is Anne Mary's brother. Ayman, do you feel still that you are having the doubts?
No, ma'am. I was completely
Anyone is having the doubts, children, with these questions?
No, ma'am. Understood.
Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me, okay. After explanation, you can ask. Otherwise, the class will be a mess. Last year, you were making the sounds like this? Huh? Huh? When teacher is taking class, you are all disturbing her? Huh?
Oh, ma'am, no.
Yes, yes. I understood.
But some students are
I don't like this, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
We will explain, I will explain, we will discuss together and you can write. This Neha Sharath is there, Neha Sharath?
Yes, ma'am.
Neha Sharath, okay. John Sebi is there, John Sebi? John Sebi? John Sebi, Agne is there, one second. Agne Menon, yes, Agne Menon is there. Then Adviga, Alogavi Pulikil is there. Alok.
Right.
Alogavi Pulikil is absent. Then Angelina Martin is there.
Yes, ma'am. I am here. Angelina Martin.
Yes, good. Now, John Sebi is not there, right? So, Alan V. Pulikal, John Sebi is absent. What about Rasil Benhar?
Present, ma'am.
Yes, Rasil Benhar is present. Now, Rohit K. Jain. Rohit K. Jain is there?
No, ma'am.
Oh, Rohit K. Jain is absent. Then Sri Shankar?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Present. Now, wait. Vinayak Rajivan? Absent. Okay, children, I'll read the names. Vinayak is absent. John Sebi, Rohit, then one person, Alok V. Pulikal. So 4 are absent. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. I should write this. Ma'am, we should write this.
You have to write. I told you no. Did you write?
I'm writing
Yes,
here.
ma'am. I wrote.
Okay, children. These numbers, we have already done such kind of questions. Now, there is another question. Find the difference between the greatest and the smallest least number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. Each only once. Don't use the numbers again. Don't repeat the numbers. You have to use the greatest number and the smallest number and find the difference. Did you understand the question, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Right to the book.
So this is your 7th question.
And for all the exercises we did.
Everything written on the board in the slide you have to write. Clear? Did you understand what is the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Find the greatest and the smallest number and find the difference.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, in this we don't have to find any other.
Needs an explanation? Anyone needs an explanation?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Can
we
you
understood.
show the board once
Find the
again?
greatest and smallest.
Ma'am, can you share the board once more?
Show your hand if you want an explanation on this. Okay, I'll show the board. Read the question carefully. There is nothing. Find the difference. So when you find the difference, you should use the greatest number first, isn't it? Big number minus small number. Big number minus small number. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this all we should write in the paper, right?
In the slide, everything is there. No, that including the question, you can find the difference. You can find the difference of your own and check the answer in the slide whether it is correct or not. Okay. You can find the difference. You can find yourself and check the answer. Now you are copying everything on the board. I'll send the homeworks to you. See, children, you know how to make ascending and descending order?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So all this we have studied last year or smaller classes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will send the homeworks to you. Homework question is make the arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Then is it correct your answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you find the answer of your own?
Am I right? The answer without looking.
Okay. And when you find the difference, is it correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
And how will you make whether it is correct? How will you check? You can add these two numbers and check answer and the small number, and you can check add this and check whether your answer is correct. Okay. And check is it correct, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Is it correct? Did you get the first number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So you can check the answer. That is checking of subtraction, right?
Yes.
So this is the question. So children, do you have any doubts? So today we studied one important thing. What was that?
Ma'am, the greatest and smallest.
One person. Racine,
Yes, ma'am.
what was the important thing we have studied today?
Ma'am, you should not
Yes.
put the zero in first.
When we make numbers,
zero in the first place.
Don't use 0 in the first place. Okay, you can use any other place.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So, you want to see the slide again?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So, I think it is time to wind up. Shall I wind up, children?
Yes,
Okay. So, take care, children. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll send the homework
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
in a descending order.
Thank you, ma'am.
Students,
Bye.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Wait. Amen. Anandash. Then anybody has any doubt in this?
No.
Okay. Shreya, do you have any doubt?
no, ma'am.
Okay. So, children, see you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.